Hey guys, welcome back. Today is just a quick video on how to change that notification on your Ring doorbell. This is done in your Ring app, so let's open the Ring app and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick video today. We're going to have to change the sound from our Ring doorbell. To do that, we're going to hit this hamburger and we're going to go down to devices. And you're going to see your device up here. I think I called mine front door. You go into here and you'll want to go into these areas down here. You're going to go into device settings and then you're going to go to notification settings, and then you'll want the app alert tones. These are your audible alerts, so go into there, and here you can try these different ones. The default, so the default will ring something like, that's if somebody pushes your doorbell. If there's a motion, your default is that chime noise, which I think is this one. Right, that's the one I want to get rid of. So I like to set mine to something different. I like to use the Echo or the Navi. I'm going to leave it at the Navi. So I can go back to my rings and see what it is when they ring my doorbell. I can do, I like that one. It's a little more monotone, a little lower, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's how you go in and you just hit your arrows back and you're done. That's how you go in and set that notification. I know that a lot of people are looking in their iPhone settings and trying to figure out their notifications. It's actually in the app and it's kind of buried in down to that device settings. So that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.